Welcome to Appalachian Driven, and today I'm going to be giving you my 5 honest and brutal opinions and things that I hate about the 535i BMW. So the first thing that I hate about this car is the engine. The M55 is a terrible engine, honestly. It leaks oil. I mean, you're gonna have to get a gasket change every other, year. I mean, it's honestly ridiculous. For some reason, the gaskets, they fail. If you start tuning the car, adding engine parts to it, the engine is just gonna degrade. It's not built well, to say the least.
That is one big pile of shit.
So the second thing that I hate about this car is there's honestly not a lot of sources for if you're wanting to modify this car. And I know that sounds crazy, but it's really hard to find an engine part to modify this car with. There's very select few that you can choose from, and let's say you do find one, you're going to be paying an arm and a leg just for a little engine part, to gain 5 horsepower. I wanted to change the exhaust on this car, and I was looking on the exhaust market, and they wanted like $2,200 for a full exhaust, and I think that is just unbelievable. The third thing that I hate about this car is the interior. Yes, it looks really good, but I feel like BMW, for some reason, just kind of pieced it together from the 2010 model. There's not, I wouldn't say a big change, maybe a little bit more technology, maybe, kind of just piecing it together. And some of the parts on the interior wear really bad. And if you own one, you know what I'm talking about. It's the parts in the driver's side and passenger side. They wear really bad, and especially if it's a hot day out and you grab that door handle, then it's gonna melt on your hand. The fourth thing that I hate about this car is how heavy it is. You could compare this thing to a Dodge Charger or a Dodge Challenger. It is a boat, and you're gonna feel it going around the corner. If you're going out and you wanna play in the mountain roads, you can do it, but you better know what you're doing, because if you're going into a curve too quick, then you're gonna have understeer and you're going straight into the ditch. You're gonna feel every bit of weight anytime you enter a corner. So the last thing that I hate about the BMW is the gas mileage. They list that these cars get good gas mileage, and it's honestly the complete opposite. You might as well be funneling gasoline into like a bathtub or something. It sucks the amount of fuel. They say that you can get 26 miles per gallon, and I probably am lucky to get 19, and that's without me driving it hard or anything else. It's gonna suck the amount of fuel, and you're gonna be filling up almost twice a week. So these were the 5 things that I hate about the BMW 535i, and these are just some things that I've picked out. Some people might have other opinions, but don't deter this from, buying a car like this. In the end, they're really good cars, and they're not something to, hate on. But I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope this might have informed you of some things that you didn't know. But if you're curious about the 5 things that I do like about the BMW, make sure to go watch our other video.